What is going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. As you see, we got some new digs going. No, nothing high tech for the time being. I'm back home as I have a few events that I need to be at for a few weeks. So this is what you guys are going to get. And if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Zach. Some people call me Rip. This is where I talk all things credit, personal credit, business credit, of course, travel hacking, and anything finance that I enjoy talking about. Let's actually jump right into it real quick here. How and why do you want to get a relationship manager specifically with Chase Bank? Now, there are other banks such as Bank of America and US Bank and some others that have relationship managers, but Chase is really the sought after that a lot of people want to have. And the reason being is Chase is well known for giving out higher limit credit cards on the 0% side that are much larger than most other banks. And that's exactly why you want to work with a relationship manager, because relationship managers have direct access and they have a lot more pull with underwriting. So underwriting is the team that is typically looking at your credit report, really analyzing your business, who you are, what your credit looks like, and then providing you the limit or the lending options that are available to you. Now, relationship managers, like I said, they have direct pull. So they have direct access with them. They can communicate and or ask for a specific limit that will allow you to get that limit and ask for higher limits or credit limit increases. So that is why you want to be connected with them. It can be a huge difference in terms of the sizable limit that you receive on a credit card, because you could apply on your own and just kind of deal with the algorithm that they have on the application process and maybe receive 10, 20K on a business credit card, which is solid at 0%. But when Chase is handing out limits at 40, 50, 75, I've heard a couple of times all the way up to six figures, $100,000 at 0% for 12 months, then that's a massive swing in a difference. And that's a lot more money that you can use towards your business. That is why you want to be connected with a relationship manager, actually build a relationship with them. And then if you have friends and family who are also business owners, it could be extremely helpful to them as well to be able to get a $50,000 limit on a 0% card instead of $15,000 or $20,000. Let's talk about why or what you should do to get a relationship manager. Now, the typical route, which is honestly what everyone should be thinking about, but I understand once you're getting into this side of things, people may be a little bit hesitant to speak with bankers and to ask them about their lending options and get to know them. So a lot of people just want to be handed a relationship manager from other people's connections. Now, I will say the first time that I ever connected with a relationship manager was because I was well connected in a group. I provided value in that group, and that was a benefit that I was able to get. That is an option. Just like my community, or if you work with me directly, I help people get funding, and I can connect them with my relationship managers if I want to. If you want to do it yourself, the most simple way to do it is to actually either go in branch and speak and ask if there's a relationship manager that works directly with business owners that you can connect with. Then you can ask them questions, learn about their different lending options, and see if that branch is one that you want to bank at. Now, I would say another option would be to call multiple branches around your area and see if they have a relationship manager at those branches, or if they can connect you with one, right? Because some branches actually don't have direct relationship managers. Not every single one does. It is a big difference between a legitimate relationship manager and someone who's just a relationship banker or someone that works at the bank. So you really need to differentiate that. And there's also a big difference between a really good relationship manager and just an average one. A really, really good one is going to, help you out and push for larger limits of 75K, where other ones might give you, 30 to 40K, which is still great, but there is still a big difference there if you're looking for high limit funding, especially with Chase. You can do that. I would recommend calling multiple branches, asking for a relationship manager that works directly with business owners that can help you with possible lending and answer your questions. And that would be the first initial route that everyone has access to. How you should really go about that conversation initially too is just, hey, I want to speak with a relationship manager who works directly with business owners. I now currently bank with, let's say, Citi or Wells Fargo. And if I'm going to bring my money and start bringing some of my business revenue and some of my money over to this bank, I want to work with someone directly who can work with me and answer my questions and make sure that I am in a good position with you guys as a bank. So I actually want to start building a relationship with you guys and start banking with you more often so that I can utilize your lending products and really build a long-term relationship. The other option as well is if you are already a business owner that is making money, you have good cash flow, you are well off, right? And have been for a few years, there is Chase Private Client, which is $150,000 total in a daily balance in your checking account or multiple investment accounts. So it doesn't just have to be in your business checking account. It can be investments that you have with Chase. It can be multiple accounts, but the daily balance should be over $150,000. They essentially will connect you directly with a private client banker, which will be your point of contact for anything that you need in terms of, let's say, payment processing or merchant processing, but you'll also get a direct business relationship manager because you are a private client. Just because you are a higher net worth individual within their system, they are going to connect you with a relationship manager that will help you with any lending questions, any lending products that you are looking to do applications with or learn more about. So if you are a Chase private client, you will be connected with a relationship manager. They'll provide you that. Although most people are not already high net worth individuals or high net worth business owners, but that is an option for you. If you want to build a private client relationship with Chase, you can do so and you'll be connected with one. The other option is, right, being well connected in other communities or credit groups or finance groups where people will actually provide you their relationship manager's contact info and allow you to work with them directly. Now, for me, I only allow that for people that I work directly with and that I know they are a good business owner and they're going to do good by me and make sure that they carry my name with reputation and they're going to carry their own name with reputation as well. Some people will just hand it out like candy. I don't think that's a smart way to do it. But if you're well connected in different communities, you're providing value in those communities, people will connect you with their private bankers or relationship managers. The other option I am going to mention is use LinkedIn. Do outreach through LinkedIn. So you could go on LinkedIn and look up relationship manager with Chase or private relationship manager, and you can try to find people that already have that. That is their job. That is their career. And you can siphon through them. You can message them. You can DM them. Let them know who you are, what your business does, and that you're looking to transition and build a professional relationship with Chase. And you want someone that you can ask questions with and understand whether it's a good route for you to go. That is the option. Make sure that your messaging is obviously professional, and please do not do that if you don't have a professional LinkedIn account. Like if you don't have a photo and it's just a basic LinkedIn account, look like a professional. What makes you think that they are going to help you out or they're going to want to answer your message if you don't have a professional looking LinkedIn account, a professional looking profile, and a professional message? So you can't just go on there with no profile photo and try to message people and think that they are somehow going to help you get 50 to 75K on a business credit card. Make sure you understand that as a business platform. Sometimes they're not on there all the time. So if you can find emails and cold email people and reach out to them that way, that would be another way. Those are the ways that you can get a Chase relationship manager, why it is important. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Let me know if you guys have a personal relationship manager that you work with and your experience with them over at Chase Bank down in the comments below. Hit like, hit subscribe. Like I said, hit the comments below. And if you guys haven't, feel free to join the free school community. That's where I drop some more value on a lot of different travel hacks, different funding data points, and things that I can't necessarily mention on here all the time. And if you guys want to work directly with me, you are a business owner and you need help with your funding process, you can reach out to me and book a call as well. So appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for showing up. Peace.